All right, we've been talking about it all evening long. Weather impact. We're talking rain. We're talking cooler weather. Yeah. Really a big change from what's felt like an extended drought summer for a long time now.
Very long time. In fact, we haven't had a rain chance like this in over 50 days.
Wow,
Things
50.
are dry. Yeah, we haven't had a big, we've had some days where we got a shower.
Sure.
But not like what we're about to get.
Okay.
We're about to get some big downpours. In fact, when you look just north of Kansas City, you got some big ones out there. Some gully washers headed right down the state line with Missouri and Iowa. This is some of the weather that's going to be headed in by tomorrow morning. In fact, this complex will probably start to cross the state line close to about 7 a.m., reaching central Indiana, closer to Avon, Indianapolis, and out towards Greenfield by about 9, 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. So be advised, we've got some rain on the way. The good news, though, is that we're not expecting severe weather. Could there be a cell that gets a little bit beefy and maybe has a little bit of wind? For sure. But generally, this is just some really heavy rain at times. It's not going to rain all the time, though. Got a couple windows to talk about. The two big windows that we're probably going to get tomorrow are between 8 to 2 p.m. And then later in the evening, we'll get another round probably moving through 6 to 11. In the meantime, kind of in between, you may still get some spotty showers, but the rain chance will get a little bit lower. But in the morning, let's say that complex is not there yet and you're headed to brunch, maybe you got a worship service you're headed to and it's still dry. Bring the rain jacket, because by the time you're done, there may be some rain moving in, and potentially it could be pretty heavy too. So tomorrow morning we'll start in the 60s and some low 70s, but we'll only add about 10 degrees to the thermometer because of all the extra clouds coming in and the rain chances. So early in the morning, we'll be watching some of those showers start to cross the state line. There's 7 a.m., starting to move into Greencastle and Crawfordsville. Lafayette, you're going to get some of that rain too. But then by about 10 o'clock, it hits a lot of central Indiana. We'll still wait for it in Muncie and Richmond and Rushville, Connorsville, closer to about lunchtime. But everyone's going to get this round coming on through. Once we get it out, there'll be a couple spotty showers before another round of heavier rain comes in, likely from 6 to 11 o'clock. After that, we take another break. But then we have more of these on and off rain chances for both Monday and Tuesday. So it's not just a one-day event for us. So tomorrow we've got Bears in town. We'll have kickoff at 1. We'll probably start to end some of the downpours right at 1. So keep in mind, if you are tailgating in the morning, there may be some heavy downpours out there. Throughout the game, we'll have spotty showers, but hopefully after a big win and you want to celebrate downtown, bigger downpours are likely to form, and we'll have even more rain next couple of days after that. By Monday, we'll get maybe another batch of some scattered showers, a little bit lower of a chance. And then Tuesday, the chance goes back up a little bit, maybe another ½ inch. So when we're adding up all this rain together, there's a good shot that we get a baseline around an inch, inch and a half across most of Indiana, not just here at home, but the whole state. And the whole state definitely needs it. But for some of us, we'll get the biggest downpours, and we could maybe get closer to 2 or even 2½ inches. But I think 1 to 1½ is a good baseline. We're going to be needing a lot of water, so this doesn't completely fix things, Jenny, but we could definitely use that 1 to 2 inches of rain. We could also use the cooler weather. We're back to the 70s for the next 10 days.